Hey guys, welcome back to IPINKIT. My name is Ingrid. Today's recipe is really easy. It's perfect for lunch or dinner. I'm going to show you how to make taco salads. So the shell is actually gluten-free, soy-free, nut-free, and corn-free. And then the meatless, it's made out of cauliflower. So if you want to learn how to make it, then keep on watching this video. Let's start by making a taco shell mold. Honestly, you can find them in the store or you can make them every time. This is what I typically do. I grab some foil in a bowl and I start shaping it. Once I've gotten my desired shape, I remove the bowl and then I start folding the corners. So it's gonna look like a flower, but it will hold its shape. Now let's make the tortilla mix. You're gonna need half a cup of brown rice flour, a quarter cup of tapioca flour, a pinch of salt, and 3/4 cups of cold water. This step is optional, but you can add nutritional yeast. This is going to make it more cheesy and it's going to add a natural yellow food coloring. Mix it well until your flour clumps are fully dissolved. In a pot, add olive oil and make sure that you spread it in all the surface. Then pour half of your tortilla mix. We're going to cook this for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. You don't want it to overcook, otherwise it's going to be very difficult to shape it. Because this tortilla hasn't been fully cooked, usually when I put it inside my mold, it splits, but it's okay. All I do is that I shape it, and once it's shaped, I go ahead and add more mix to the bottom. I just try to cover all the sections. Repeat the same steps to make a second tortilla shell, and then we're gonna bake these for 20 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit degrees. Now let's make the beefless crumbles. For that I'm going to use 1 cup of cauliflower rice. If you have no idea how to make it, I'm going to leave you a tutorial above and in the description box below. Add a quarter cup of brown rice flour, half a teaspoon of paprika powder, a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, a quarter teaspoon of onion powder, and finally a quarter cup of cold water. Mix it well and then grab a pot, add a little bit of olive oil and cook this for 8 minutes on medium heat. I feel like if you've been to my channel before, you already know that I'm obsessed with guacamole. This is how I've been making it lately. You know me, carrots need to be shredded, otherwise I won't be able to eat them. Before you call me crazy, yes, I shred my tomatoes because I don't like to eat the skin. It's just not easy to digest. And if I shred my tomatoes, I end up with all of the juice, but then I remove the skin. Let's chop some spinach and add it to your container. And finally, chop some green onions. Now that I have all the ingredients ready, I can go ahead and start preparing my taco salad. At the end, I just add shredded vegan cheddar cheese. Oh my goodness, these are delicious and I cannot wait for you guys to make them at home. If you would love to continue watching more vegan and allergy-friendly recipes, then you know what to do. Just click this red button down your screen, hit the bell once if you want to receive notifications every time I upload a video. If you want to get the written recipe of this, then make sure to follow my blog. The link is going to be right here and also in the description box below. As usual, all of the ingredients that I use are linked below. I can't wait to see you next week with a brand new video. Bye guys!